Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna install OpenCV compatible with these packages, these libraries, which are including the Flex in here, in the CMake Flex. Before talking about this list, maybe we need to do the first steps, and after that we can switch back to the here again. First of all, you need to download OpenCV and OpenCV contrib folders to your directory by these two commands. Just git clone. Since these are taking little time according to your internet speed, I already downloaded these two folders. Okay. After that, you need to specify which OpenCV version you need to install. First of all, just go to the OpenCV contrib folder and specify your OpenCV version. Since I want to install the latest version, which is 4.8.0, and I need to git checkout to that version. Okay, now it is done for the OpenCV contrib folder. Similarly, I need to go to the also OpenCV folder and doing the same step in here, which is gonna be also git checkout 4.8.0, and after that it is done. After that, you need to also create a new folder in OpenCV. Since we need to a build folder, we can make our CMake and build inside this folder, and after that we can finish our installation at the end. Okay, just enter to the build folder and all is done currently. This is the first step you need to do. After that, the next step is CMake step, which is the most important one, because if you are skipping any package, any library here at the end of CMake, you are gonna get an error, or you are gonna get a note which is not found in your machine, these packages. This is very important. First of all, also why we need these lists, we need all these. For example, of course we need CUDA, because this is also OpenCV installation specific to compatible with CUDA, because I want to use CUDA accelerated functions with the OpenCV, so that's why I need CUDA. Similarly, I need, for example, NVIDIA, because I want to decode or encode my camera streams or my videos more speedily via on GPU. That's why also I need this package, this NVIDIA API. Also, let's say I need FFmpeg also, because in some cases also I want to video capture, which is familiar, which is famous class in OpenCV. So I want to use it with the flag FFmpeg. That's why I need this library also. Okay. What else? Also I need with Qt enabled, because otherwise with imshow I will not be able to use the functionalities, the features with my window. That's why I need this also. And all this in any way I'm gonna need with OpenCV, so that's why I want to install OpenCV with this flex enabled. Okay. But if you did not install FFmpeg, you are gonna get something wrong, or other libraries. If you have some mistakes, or if you did something wrong, you are gonna get some problems at the end. Okay, just copy this one. By the way, I'm gonna put this to the descriptions most probably, and do these steps in the build folder. Just enter. Let's little wait. I believe it's gonna finish faster. I hope so. So it's just looking for the packages. CMake step is just controlling step, maybe we can say. Look at, for example, CUDA is already detected. Also, you can maybe watch my previous videos about this CUDA if you want to install with CUDA. Also, if you don't have CUDA, you cannot use this flex. You are gonna maybe get an error, because since you don't have GPU, you cannot also install CUDA. That's why if you want to install without CUDA, you need to check my other videos in my YouTube channel. Okay. Let's little check. CMake is done, so configuring done, generating is done. Let's check little bit. It's already able to find CUDA, also saying the version in here. Also, it's able to find CUDA, also including NVQuid, encode APIs, also others, kublas, others also is able to find. Where is FFmpeg? Also, let's check it. Also, is able to find FFmpeg, and with other sub libraries inside is also able to find. Okay. Seems everything fine. We can switch to the next step, which is the make step. Before doing that, maybe we can check our core numbers. Since I have 16 cores, I can make with J 16. So according to your core number, you can change here so it can make it faster. Let's start these steps, and since this is little take a long time, maybe after that I can continue again. Yes, since it's done, we can continue. The next step is gonna be the installation steps, and we are gonna do it with the sudo, of course. Sudo make install is gonna install the OpenCV to the user local, and I think we can start it now. It's gonna finish faster, I believe. Okay. After it finished, we can test the OpenCV version, and we can see it's installed correctly and everything is fine, and we can finish the OpenCV installation. I think it's gonna finish faster. Let's see. Yes, it's done, and we can open a new terminal and we can run the command of package config mod version OpenCV4, and yes, so the command of this one is gonna give us the result, which is we installed OpenCV correctly and everything is fine. Also, yeah, we don't need to make an example maybe for this installation because we are already sure this is installed correctly. And yes, for this video I wanted to show you how to install OpenCV compatible with CUDA. This is the main content of this video, and also maybe yeah, helpful for you. See you in the next videos.